Welcome. CPA Planet lessons help you get more points on your CPA exam. These lessons provide clear explanations from the student's perspective, visual learning, and we even try to make it interesting and entertaining. Enjoy the lessons and pass the CPA exam. Termination of an S-Corp. S-Corp will terminate as a result of any one of the following scenarios. Again, a question you may well see on the exam. Voluntary, more than 50% of the corp's shareholders consent to a voluntary revocation, and that's more than half. Eligibility requirements. If it fails to meet the eligibility requirements for S-Corp, then it is no longer. So, for example, it goes from 100 shareholders to 101 shareholders. It's no longer eligible. If a C-Corp buys them, it's no longer eligible. 3 years, 25% passive C-Corp earnings. Here's a good question that you may be asked. More than 25% of the gross receipts come from passive income for 3 consecutive years, and there were C-Corp earnings and profits at the end of each year. Okay, in this scenario, the S-Corp status is terminated at the beginning of the 4th year. So let's say that again. More than 25% of the gross receipts come from passive investment income for 3 consecutive years, and they had C-Corp earnings and profits at the end of each year. Partial years in the case of termination. If the termination occurs mid-year, the corporation will have 2 partial years, a short S-Corp year and a short C-Corp year. It's just going to be prorated, okay? It's not that difficult. Example, S-Corp termination occurs May 1st. Short S-Corp year is January to April 30th. Short C-Corp year is May 1st to December 31st. Once you are terminated, you can't have an S-Corp election for 5 years unless the IRS consents.